Assalamu alaikum guys. This PC is Acer Z1. It was the problem in mainboard. Is no power, not working. Now I fix it, and you can see it's working. Everything perfect. Watch my full video how I do fix this. If you have problem like this in your all-in-one PC or laptop, you can fix it at home. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my channel guys. This is Acer is all-in-one PC, and this PC problem is no power, so I just connect the power here, and you can see here is the power button, and wait, and I press the power button. Okay, you can see here is the power light, but this laptop not working, so it is the problem here. You can see this one is damaged, so I have to replace this and check first it's working perfectly or not working. And guys, you see I have to remove that parts, and I will bring from here same size. And guys, see, this PC is working perfectly. After I close everything, I just changed that small capacitor is working. Okay guys, if you have problem like that, you can change that and you can fix it at home. Okay guys, you can see this PC all-in-one is Acer Aspire Z1. You can see this PC is perfectly now working. It's very good. So if you have problem like this, it was the problem just like this one small size parts. I just changed like this small one, and it is working perfectly. So if you have problem like that, you can change and you can fix it. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.